What's going on, guys? Blessing to your family. Your boy Wallace Conrad here. Let me check my mic. Yes, my mic is working. Guys, I hope you are good. I hope you are well. I'm gonna say something before I start this video. If there is something messing with your mental health, guys, get yourself out of that space. Mental health is real. Do not bottle up your feelings. If you have to reset and restart, do not be afraid to do this. Right? That is my message for today. All right. So, once upon a time, guys, I was in the army. Right? One of my favorite things to do in the army was the assault course or obstacle course, interchangeably. Right? Whenever there was a competition, we often have a competition, right? An assault course competition, we used to call it. And whenever that is running, everyone always points at me. Conrad, you're the guy, because they know how much I love to do this, right? Now that that space and time in my life has gone on, right? I have decided I am going to recreate as best as possible the assault course, but I'm going to do it indoors. So I have meticulously chosen the exercises that I think will hit those muscles when I did the assault course, right? And granted, sometimes this course was very big, so I couldn't recreate everything. I didn't want to recreate everything. I just recreated 5 exercises that I think that I could do, and it just remind me of the workout that I used to get when I do the assault course. Okay, so we're going to do 5 exercises today. We're going to try to do them 1 minute per exercise. So I chose 5. So we're going to try to do this for 5 minutes or more if you can, right? Now, this used to be very exhausting when I ran this course, right? This might not be as exhaustive, but I promise you, join in and let me know what you think about it. Okay, so here we go. Without further ado, the first exercise is going to be the crawl under. So we used to have the wires, and as you know, as you would expect in the army, you have to do some crawling in training, right? So I chose the commando crawl to simulate or substitute the crawl under, right? So here we go. We're going to do the commando crawl for 1 minute. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to get down on all fours. Get down on all fours. You're going to go in the plank position like this, and then you're just going to move forward, crawl, right? Through the entire exercise, your core is nice and tight, but you are recruiting the arms, you're recruiting the core, your shoulders are being recruited, your legs some, because you have to propel yourself forward, right? And you have to stay low. All right. So here we go. Commando crawl is the first exercise. In 3, 2, 1, work time. Okay, commando crawl. And we're moving forward. We're not doing it fast. Of course, in the competition, I'd be blazing through the crawl under, right? So we're not going as fast because of the space that I have. But I'm still feeling those muscles, right? Doing the work. And I'm going to go back. Shout out to all my boys that are still in the army, right? I'm going to go back. Forward. Even the knees are working here. The thighs. Breathe. Stay with me. Come on, guys. You can do this. Back. And you have survived the crawl under. Okay, sweet. All right, so next exercise. Of course, during the course, we're not taking any rest. We're just blazing through the course, right? So we have what you call the under over, right? So what I chose for that is I'm going to do a push up to simulate the under, and then the over. I'm going to do the burpees, but I'm going to do a tuck, right? So I'm going to jump up for the over, right? So the lowest obstacle, you would go under that one. And then the tallest obstacle, you'd go over that one, right? The army doesn't make it easy. Okay, so here we go. Under, over. So, as I said, push up, collapse. That's under. Up, burpees. Okay? All right, so here we go. 1 minute. Boom. Here we go. So, collapse, push up. Come up. Nice. Go back down. Pace yourself, guys. We're going for a minute. Not just strength, endurance. Woo. One more. Ah, that one kicked my ass. Whew. Okay. We survived those two. So next, we're going to do, you can't have an assault course. Whew. Yeah, this is the feeling. Okay, catch your breath. You can't have an assault course without monkey bars, okay? A lot of upper body strength is required. A lot of hand stability, most of all. So, for the hand stability, I think that what best simulates this is the bear crawl, okay? Lots of hand stability for the bear crawl. All right, so, yep, we're going to start, even though it's whooping our asses. All right, here we go, bear crawl. All right, all fours, like you're starting the race. All right, so up, and then we're crawling. Lots of hand stability. And move back. Kind of slipping here. That's more like it. So opposite hand, opposite leg. Okay. Keep going. This is not easy, guys. But stay with me. That was my least favorite. Okay, so that was the monkey bar, number 3. Okay, so next we have what we call a 6 feet wall. That's exactly what it was. It was a 6 feet wall. Also have the 8 feet, right? And you have to try to get over that wall. Stay as low as possible. Of course, you know, in the army, the whole idea is you stay low, you move, you try as best as possible to outmaneuver the opposition. The best one for this, I thought it was the decline push-up. Okay? So decline push-up requires a lot of chest, requires a lot of shoulder, triceps, core. So let's do it. Whew. All right, 1 minute. Decline push-up. All right, here we go. I'm just going to use my couch here as my incline, decline starts now. 1 minute. Nice. Stay with me, guys. I know it burns. Ah. Whew. Nicely done. Almost there, guys. One more. The last one. We used to do what we call the ditch jump. Okay, so you'd have a ditch and you try to get from one side of the ditch to the other side with, of course, your all your equipment, etc. We don't have our equipment today, and we're not going to try to jump all the way across because the hardwood floor is a little bit slippery, all right? And we don't want to damage ourselves. Safety first, right? So we're going to simulate a jump by just going 1, 2, 3, side to side, okay? So here we go. And work time. Back. Whoo. Ah. 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 Whew. Ah. All right. So, yeah, this is what it feels like. So, that there and there, guys, is my attempt at recreating the assault course. Let me know what you think about it. As you can hear, I'm breathing very heavy. It's not easy. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel for more challenging video like this and for some that are not so challenging. Until next time, stay safe, be blessed. 11 Fit TV out. Peace. Huh?